All right, guys, how you doing? This is Gideon. We'll see how to write the symbols using Alt plus numeric keyboard. Numeric keyboard shortcuts. This helps you to complete a task very quickly in Word, like Excel or PowerPoint. Sometimes you might go and search and input symbols, but that takes time. So if you save this video and refer it, you can save a lot of time. So let's go and see. What you have to do is first uh, turn the number lock key, the number lock on the keyboard. The memory keyboard must be active. So then hold the Alt key and then write the code. So then you hold the Alt key and write the code, enter the code, then release the Alt key. These are the 4 steps that you need to follow. This is the numeric key right here. This one is the num lock is this one, and then it is the key, the numeric key is the key here on the right side of your laptop or desktop. That's reserved for numbers. So the other thing you have to remember is codes above 25 to under 55 may not work properly in all programs, like in but they are based in MS Word, but they are not be they may not work in other programs. So you might need to use Unicodes plus Alt plus X. So these are the common everyday symbols. The smile, Alt plus 1, like smile, and the Alt plus 3, the love symbol, and others. You can check, go ahead and check this one. Then finally, if you want, I can give you the full list of the symbols, the Word document. So just just type in the comment section your email address or like that, so that I can send you the whole list of the Word so that you can use it for reference. So these are the symbols that we are using for dollars, euros, and the shortcut is Alt to write dollars. The shortcut is Alt plus 36. These are other also accounted letters. That's how I read it. I don't know whether I'm right or not. The lowercase and uppercase. These are shortcuts. These are the Greek letters. These are very important. The Greek letters. So to write delta, for example, change to show change, Alt plus 0916 is the shortcut, the Alt code. To write pi, for example, for circle, Alt plus 060. So to write omega, resistance, the symbol for resistance, you write Alt plus 0937. So you can go ahead and check everything, but I will give you all. These are the logic and set theory shortcuts. To write the element of C3 is the element of set A. So to write element E like this, actually how I call it, this one, the element, you write Alt plus 220. But I will give you the whole sets of the shortcuts. So this is the overview of the whole. These are the geometry and the calculus shortcuts. For example, to write an x square root, Alt plus 251. Alt code is Alt plus. I mean, you don't write plus, but just you hold down Alt and write 251, then you get the symbol square root. So to get the infinity symbol, you press down Alt and write 236. Then you then the symbol comes like this. So release, hold Alt plus then hold Alt, then write 236, then release Alt. That time you get the infinite symbol. To write the integral symbol, hold Alt, then 244, write 244, then you get the integral symbol. So tell you this is the other one is uh, the alt plus x or the convert Unicode. So the convert Unicode that you have, we have Unicode for um, symbols. For example, to type square root, you type 221a. This is a Unicode for square root. Then alt x, alt x. This is the conversion, the convert Unicode. This is how you convert Unicode. The Unicodes are the codes that given for every symbol in computer system. So 221 A is given for square root. So you can have all the. I'm going to show you uh, the whole list of Excel, Word document having all those shortcuts, so you can refer to that. And if you send me your email address or like that, I can just send you the Word document, the whole list of those shortcuts, so that you can use them in any area of your interest. This is what's an overview of what. So let me show you here. Let's start from the beginning. Here you go. Here are all the lists. See, you can stop this video and screenshot, or you can send me your email address so that I can send you and you can see all those lists and the codes or their purpose and the meaning is also listed here very clearly. The currency symbol, the mathematical symbol, and everything. This one also right here. Greek letter, some kind of deformation, distortion here. So the Greek letters are like this: the beta, the uppercase Greek letters. Here you go, and the lowercase Greek letters are written like this. So arrows, the mathematical symbols, plus or minus, divisions, degrees, square roots, infinities, micros, micro sign. Okay. The other thing is set theory symbols, element of, not element of, intersections are written here. The other subsets and supersets also expressed like this: the logic operators, the and, the or, the not, and there exists for all. So those are the codes, the alt codes. So you can refer. This is the relation and the comparison symbols are written with these codes right here. There is equal to, the not equal to, less than or equal to, greater or equal to. So you can screenshot and copy or write for or prepare your own, or you can send me your email address or whatever your address or your phone number if you want, so that I can send you through Telegram or like that. So this is all about what you call it, shortcuts. I think you can have also the symbols of double integrals, see the double integral, partial derivatives, differentials, the Nabal gradient, the limits. Limits actually have no Unicode or Alticode. Just you write just lim. This the symbol is lim, and just you write the meaning is limit. The infinities are written with this one. This is the Alticode, and this is a Unicode conversion. You can use the Unicode or Alticode. Sometimes Unicode not Alticode might not work. So the best one is using Unicode. So if you have a Unicode for that thing, you can use Unicode. And there is no alt code for all symbols. So using Unicodes is, for example, to write double integral, just you write 222c, then you hold down Alt plus then X, then release Alt. That's why you get the double integral. So this is how it works. These are also the degree symbols, the perpendicular, the parallel symbol, triangle, the congruent symbol, the pi. These all are very important for you. You can refer for them and use them. See, I just used those shortcuts to write vectors. Like vector, let's say you are a physics teacher who's going to who you are a physics teacher who are going to teach about vectors. Like vector v is equal to vx in the I plus vy in the j plus vz in the k, and you want the arrows in the top of the vector to show that it's a vector. So you can use those symbols and shortcuts. If you are a mathematics teacher, you might want to write an integral of something, or partial derivative of something, or there are also probability and static symbols. I don't know whether they are included here, but yeah, here are the probability and static symbol, statistics and probability symbols. This is the mean symbol for mean. So this is the shortcut. Then the Unicode, the Alt code, and the Unicode, the optional Unicode. So the standard deviation symbol. So what is the standard deviation? How much data is scattered from the mean? That's always that's probability. You learn in probability. So this is all about the shortcuts thing, and thank you for watching.